What's up, guys, and welcome to our room tour here on board the beautiful Odyssey of the Seas. We're in cabin 3610. We've got a beautiful ocean view stateroom to check out. Come on in. Let's see what we got. Oh, hello, Peter.
Oh, hello. Come in.
Could we take a tour of the room? Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on in. So here it is. Here is the first look, what you're going to see as soon as you walk in our room. We've got the safety information on the back of the door. A nice updated air conditioning control units. Yes, if you're a seasoned cruiser, you get excited over these things, okay? These are big steps for us. Yeah. No temperature controls, yay! So it goes down, I think right now we've got it on 66. Does it go? That's as cold as it goes. And it does, like I was just telling Peter, normally on embarkation day for us, it's like always super hot in the room, right? But this is the first one that I can remember where we've walked in and it feels good. Like it feels really good on embarkation day. So clearly they have upgraded the HVAC systems and things like that, but enough big boy talk. Let's get down to the meat and potatoes of the room here. All right, so here is our beds. Of course, Peter and I have ours separated, but you can certainly get this joined together. And then actually the couch where Peter is sitting right now also comes out into a bed. So this room can sleep up to 4. We've got a closet right here next to this side of the bed, nice and big. I don't know if you can tell, but we have like 2 full-size backpacks in there, and they fit just fine with enough room to add 1 or 2 more even. There's these things down here which I'm not quite sure what they are. If you do happen to know what those are, leave me a comment down below. Let me know. There is 2 more in the back of the closet back there as well. I don't know if they're like footholds for something or what the deal is, but in any event, there that is. We've got a nice crossbar here to hang some stuff, some more up top there. Do remember, if you need more coat hangers, always ask your stateroom steward. They'd be glad to provide those for you. And if you need your laundry done or anything like that, anything pressed here on board, there's the information for that as well. This room's got a lot of storage to it, some more storage right above the bed actually. You've got 2 pop-up drawers for you. Check those out. Nice, big, spacious. You can store things up there. I have not seen this before on a cruise that I've been on, so I love it. You can never have too much storage when you're on a cruise, and I think this is a great use of space. So big job well done to Royal Caribbean on that. I don't want to get too far away from the bed here. We are going to go check out the bathroom here in just a second, but there is a outlet right beside the bed. So if you want to charge that cell phone, you had a CPAP or other medical device that needs plugged in, you can certainly use that right there. And I was kind of bummed because I was like, oh man, well I guess this side doesn't. No guys, check this out. Right built into the phone, USB charging port. How cool is that? So you can both sides of the bed can charge their cellular devices or whatever you need to, worry-free here. I really like that nice built-in touch they have. Of course, nightstand for bed 1 and bed 2 respectively. A little bit of storage down below that as well. Coming on into the bathroom here. Nice big spacious bathroom. I'll let you check that out. There you go. Big glass door for the shower, comes all the way open. And Peter and I both commented that the shower definitely feels a little bit bigger even. I don't know if it is, it probably isn't, it's probably an optical illusion. I would have liked to see a little bit more storage here in the bathroom, but that's okay, we'll definitely make do. I like the small added touch of the lid on the trash can. I always thought that was a bit weird that they just left that open for you, so that's nice that you have that now. And if you need any sanitary disposable bags, those are right there for you. Of course, don't forget, you can throw those luggage suitcases, those, what do they call them, trolleys? Is that what they call them? You can throw the trolleys under the bed. There they are, there's ours. So don't forget about that. Don't try and cram them into the cupboard, into the closet. Definitely throw those under the bed. On the other side here, I showed you that closet just a second ago. Here is this closet. You've got some shelving units in there. Kind of weird, I don't know, a small hanging closet there. You can fit a few coat hangers. And then down below, you've got 1, 2 drawers. Peter pointed out, look, they have like the soft close drawers there for you. Some more over here. Is this our fridge? Ah, look, we have a little fridge. Very nice. Yep, so you got a fridge. You can bring back that dessert from dinner that you just couldn't finish. You can have it as a midnight snack if you want. Here's a little bit of literature for us. This is filmed on embarkation day, so we have got lots of goodies and things to read over. Dress to impress. There's more info if you wanted to get your laundry service done here. We do have a couple more outlets up here above the desk. There's 2 USB and 2 standards. How about that? And then I think this is one European. I think they use that for the vacuum, honestly. Here's your remote control for your television entertainment system. Royal has a great OS integration. Their TVs talk to their apps and all that other stuff. They're a very tech-forward company, and both of us really, yeah, we really appreciate that. I know it may not be everybody's cup of tea, and that's okay, but for us, we certainly love that. We love the innovation that they're constantly pushing here at Royal Caribbean to be bigger and be better. And then, you know, this room would not be this room without the best feature about it. What's that, Pete?
The window!
The window! So let's check it out. Here is our view. Now, like I said, take this with a grain of salt. We are in port, but here is our window. It's a nice big window. If you've got little ones or maybe little at heart, there's a great little area that they could probably sit in and kind of stare out at the ocean as the waves pass by. I think that this will be a really cool, neat view. And the best thing I think about an ocean view versus an interior is you get some natural light in the morning, right? So it's really good for the mornings. You're not struggling to kind of wake up and get the day going. You know roughly what time of day it is, whether it's, you know, midnight or you know, 8 o'clock in the morning. If you have an interior, there is no way you're telling that without going out and looking at one of the open decks with the ship's cameras. So that's probably a really cool feature of an ocean view. Of course, we don't have the balcony, you can't go out, but there's plenty of open space on this ship that we're going to be exploring, so I don't think we'll miss it too much. So that is a look here at our cabin 3610 on board Odyssey of the Seas. If you're thinking about an ocean view stateroom, so far I couldn't recommend this one more. We love it, and we're so excited to spend the week here with it. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that thumbs up, share it with a friend, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you around the ship on board Odyssey of the Seas. My name is Josh. It's been real, it's been fun, it's been Hit It, Peter. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace!